chicken.
What if I do like
Brains. Huh?
What if I do like 2 different types of meat?
Just one type of meat's enough for maraq. Some lamb or goat. I prefer goat. This one be looking like frog eggs. Alright, tonight we're making maraq. First we gotta brown the meat. I already put the cumin, cinnamon, salt, black pepper. It's almost ready. Next we add the water and the vegetables. Okay, got the veggies ready. Just gotta dump that into the mix with the meat and let that boil nice and slow. There we go, vegetables are added. Now just let this cook for about 45 minutes to an hour. And of course we got to use the secret ingredient. A good healthy splash of this mixed into the soup, into the maraq stew. Gotta get this foamy stuff out. Mix the broth nicer. Just scoop it out and put it in the container. Okay, and last thing you put in right before it's finished is the coriander or cilantro. Don't add it in too soon. Just throw it in right before you serve it so it's fresh. I've already put all the spices in. That would be cinnamon, black pepper, plenty of salt, some crushed garlic. Yeah, this is pretty much everything. Now it's just gotta wait and cook. There we go, the finished product. Turned out perfect.